Often required to deliver data in tables, and it is absolutely critical that we work to draw the most important stories out of them. So I want to show you right within PowerPoint how I'm going to transform this table with a little bit of design from this into something like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing I want to do is click on the table itself and just remove the background. So go into Format, Shape, and say No Fill, and it's going to remove that gray from the background. Next, I'm going to highlight the entire table, and I'm going to remove all of the borders in that table. So in Table Design, I can go set that to No Borders. And then I'm actually going to add one simple border back. It's going to be, I click on the category and say Bottom Border, a line just below the categories to separate them from all of the different members and values. The next thing I want to do is an alignment of these different columns. So one of the things I often see is all of these categories and values be center aligned, but if you just click on them, one rule I like to follow is let's make all the categories left aligned and all of the values right aligned. And watch how much easier this is for your eye to follow down these columns and read each of the values. The other little thing I like to do is bold these category headers. So if you're somebody who likes to do that to make them stand out and be separate a little more, you can bold those as well. So there you go. I've cleaned up the table significantly, but we're going to do a number of other things as well. The next thing I like to do for readability, especially on larger tables, is to add a little bit of row banding. So you can go up into the table design section and turn on row banding, or you can just set a little fill on a few of these different rows just by highlighting the rows, going into solid fill, and setting them with a very light gray. And when I do row banding, I like to use very light colors so you can see the banding, but it's not distracting from the data itself.